with only 3 ingredients, eliminates white hair naturally and without dyes. You will be surprised to use this mixture. To start today's tip, I will remove the skins of a purple onion. It is the main item for this blend. The form of preparation is unlike anything you have ever seen, so remove the onion peel completely. I will also use a grater on the onion. If you have problems with white hair, this tip is very useful for the prevention and control of white hair. Once I am at this point in another container, I will use a sieve to completely separate the liquid. With a spoon, I will press completely, so as not to waste any amount of onion liquid with the rest. You can use normally in the preparation of foods. The second essential item for this mixture is the lime. I will use only one to facilitate. I will cut in half and use a juicer to completely remove the liquid. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Okechi Akazu from Nigeria. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. The last item for this mixture is toothpaste. I will use a tablespoon. The ideal way to add is to mix very well. I'm sure you never use these mixed items, but they all have properties that act directly on the hydration of the wires, thus avoiding and even acting directly on the prevention of white wires. We all have these ingredients at home, which will not bring you any cost to recover your hair. For the use of this mixture, the ideal is to use during the night, applying directly on the hair, and leaving to act for at least 20 minutes. After only it is necessary to wash well with water. Once it is at this point, we can already use the mixture. Best of all, this tip uses only ingredients that do not bring any risk to hair. For efficient results, we must use for at least 3 times a week. And in less than a month, you will notice hydration and also improvement in white hair. Tell me later if you got the result you expected with the use of this mixture. I appreciate you watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye. Yeah.